Welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everybody. I wasn't planning to upload a video today, but I will because I would have this left over from before the holidays. Anyways, just decided to upload a video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So starting here, we got this 498. We got the knife and the precision screwdrivers. As you guys see there, there's only one knife left. Then they had this Cobalt set here, 35 piece Cobalt XTR. That's a really nice set. I didn't see the price on this. There, you know what, guys? There's a lot of items that we didn't get to see the price because everything's moved around. Pretty much bare bones. Whatever's left, we're gonna see today. $9.98 for the gloves. Look like really nice, comfortable cloth gloves. Then this was on the wrong spot because right here there's some sawhorses and I didn't have the price for them. Like I said, everything's mixed and matched. $12.98 for this command control night eye. It's a really nice tape measure. It does have the black with the green numbers or whatever you want to call that. It's a really nice, very visible. It's only on one side, just to let you know. On the other side does not have anything. But still, really nice, rugged tape measure. Then we got some toys here. $6.98. They're on clearance, so pretty much if you want to help out your build this with your children. $12.98 with the 3-piece groove joint pliers sets. A really nice set. Pretty much getting your money's worth here for just about one or two. You're getting a free one basically, or half price. $12.98 for the 3-piece pliers set. It's a really nice set there, pretty much for a homeowner, for DIY, for just a spare toolbox in the truck. You know, lend away toolbox that you want to have something cheap. Carry around. $9.98 for the 7-piece hex driving socket set and the nut drivers. They only had the nut drivers, folding nut drivers, SAE and metrics. It's a really nice set. Like I said, for the toolbox, like a lend type of tool, or take it to the junkyard. If you forget it, then you're not out of your name brand tools. They're still great tools, don't get me wrong. $14.98 for the 6-piece mini pliers set. I guess it does include like a little pouch. There you go right there. And then $19.98 for the 2-piece magnetic socket organizer. Haven't used these. I can see that these could become useful if you got them all over the place. $19.98 for the 1000 lumen virtually indestructible aluminum lights. And then that's the 1000 lumen with the batteries. I don't like to have batteries. Personally, I don't like batteries. I like rechargeable batteries. I like my headlamps already, or my flashlights already have their built-in rechargeable batteries inside. So $14.98 for the other one, $9.98 for that one, which is the smaller one, or the less powerful, that they had 350 lumen. And you can see that they've been selling a lot of these. You got some scissors here, really nice comfortable grips. I really like the ones from here. They didn't have the price on these. Then they had the bottle openers here and the 5-piece spring clamps, $4.98. So if you guys need a bottle opener for the holidays, $4.98 for a hammer or a utility knife. It's a really nice utility knife there. Then they had this other utility knife that was supposed to go on the other section. $4.98 for the fittings, or the quick connect blowgun kits. Like, they only had the fittings and a few utility knives there. Like I said, wrong spot. And bare bones here basically. $14.98 for the 23-piece hex key set. This is a really nice set. Basically, you can take that middle handle and pretty much put the hex keys there. Use them as leverage. It's a really nice, really nice little toolkit there. $19.98 for this Ever Bright. It's a solar LED, pretty much like if you have a path. I have one of these. It is not this one, but I have a similar type. I have it in the trash area. Every time you walk to the trash area, if you need to, see what's up in there, you can turn it on, and that way you have a light there. Night owl rechargeable LED. So this is for dogs. If you want to put this on your dog. Obviously it doesn't work for every dog. You have a ball there, you can play with your dog. Like my dogs, this thing will not even last them like 2 minutes. They'll just break them. 1998 for the it's like a tower power hub. You can charge multiple devices if you have one area designated to charging, like a charging station. Then you have this collapsible milk crate, 998. So if you need storage for the holidays or whatnot, tools, garage. Then they have this Maker X from Works. So if you do a lot of hobbies, a lot of smaller stuff, you can get that for $99. Pretty much like an all-inclusive little kit. $5.98 for the hand clamp and $19.98 for those Jurgensen's clamps, the pair. So it's really similar to the one from Harbor Freight. If you guys haven't seen that one, it's a blue one. It's called Bremen. It's really similar to that. I believe it's around the same price. But these seem to be pretty nice. If you're already here, then pick it up. It seems to be pretty high quality. $12.98 for the Craftsman. It's a 4-piece tape measure. Pretty much for the DIY. Don't expect this to be like a Fat Max or a name branded. This is mostly meant for the DIY. There's nothing wrong with these. Like I said, once for each truck or for each garage or whatever you have. Got some charging pads and charging cables here for the cell phones. $4.98, $9.98 for the pad, charging wireless pad, and then about $5 for the cables. And then they had this really interesting. This is a Speed Out Pro damage screwdriver extractor, $14.98. I do have one of these. I still have to make a video on it. This is a great item to have if you have one of those screws that gets stuck. Pretty much rounded out and you can't get it out. That's the one you go to. $29.98 for 80-piece drill drive set. As you guys see, it's a pretty big kit. Not my favorite, tell you guys the truth. It does include the longer bits. Looks like a 4-inch, 3 2-inch, and then some nut drivers there to the right. Socket adapters to the left. TikTok case right there to the right on the top. And then some, looks like a black and gold drill bits there. So it's like an all-inclusive kit. Basically for the homeowner, for the DIY. Not necessarily the best. $69 for this Black & Decker. It does include some drill bits and pliers and stuff like that. A drill and battery and charger inside. Like a homeowner set. $17.98 for the saw blade. It says was $29.98. It's a 24 tooth. And a 60 tooth 10-inch, I would say mostly framing blades. $29.97 for the 700 lumen. Again, batteries. I do prefer USB rechargeable LED flashlights instead of something like this with batteries. So this should be a lot cheaper. And then $29.98 or $95 for this toy or junior toolkit. It's an 8-piece. They are real tools. They're just smaller. And then you got this mat, not 33.80. They still have a whole bunch of these mats. Nobody wants them. Hopefully they go on clearance and we can get them for like 10 or 15 bucks. Looks like the one on the top. It's been used already. And then you got the oscillating tool for $119. The oscillating toolkit, and then 14 for these. Just under $15 for these oscillating tool bits. You got some gloves for $5.98. Seems like they're dipped in rubber or nitro from Craftsman. And then they had this $49. They didn't have a price for this one, so the 30-piece, I believe is a good deal on that one. It's not that expensive. $49.98 for that 118-piece. Then $24.98. It's always been $24.98. It's never been on sale. Hopefully it'll go drop it down on clearance. Then you got this tape measure for $4.98. You got socket, which I seen for I believe $19. I don't know why it's $24.98 here. It seems like every store is different, you know. $19.98 for this Craftsman 60-piece. Seems like an all-inclusive little kit there. Then you got this $9.98 for just some basic drill bits. If you want to make a hole or something, really, really simple. Or something around the house. $119 for this 215-piece Craftsman set with the nice drawers, and then $9.98 for the 47 piece. It's a really nice set there. Pretty inexpensive. $34.98 for the VersaStack compatible. 140 piece, and then you got this work light for $32.98. It's not a bad deal. And then this whole saw kit of $29.98 seems like a pretty much for the homeowner or DIY. $49.98 for this 20 this reel. It's air holster. Then $14.98 for the Biomet 8 piece for a screwdriver set. It's a really nice set. It was kind of odd to have it there just by itself, but it seems to be pretty nice. I guess it's on clearance. I haven't checked out the price from before. $39.98 for this 50 piece hose, and then they got this tool bag for $89, which is interesting. $89.98. Seems like Lopes is going more towards handbags and stuff like that. So this is a really nice handbag. If you want to stay away from the plastic, so that's an option you have. Then you got the VersaStack. They didn't have a price on this one. Looks really nice. Nice organizer, clear lid, and maybe compatible with the Versa. They have these Christmas items on clearance, so check out your nearest Lowe's for 75% off clearance. And that's what they had on this store. But other stores, they might vary the items or the percentage. On this store, like I said, it was 75% off, and this is some of the items that they had. I didn't. And then they had this on clearance, $200, guys. It's a smoking deal for this Cobalt Lawnmower. It is a pushed. I believe the self-propelled was a little bit more than that. They didn't have any left on this one, so that's one of the items that you would have to look around for on your Lopes. $239 for the one that's a self-propelled smoking deal on this. So if you can score that for $200, you can make a killer deal on that. And then this one's a 7630. It's a gas blower here from Craftsman. Still a great deal. Definitely check it out. A lot of great deals. And then they have this one for $62. Seems like a cheaper brand. I never heard about this brand. Boland's 2-cycle gas blower. Says medium duty. $62. I mean, if it'll get you blowing there, pretty much you're good to go for $62 there. So you got this one, $139 from Cobalt 40 volt. It seems like the kit with the 3 amp hour battery. And they had this one for $71.33. It looks like the bare tool. Some guys are reporting about $60 or $70 for the whole kit. So it just depends on the store. They had this one for $46. I tried looking for it. It looks like a spare tool. I did try looking for it and I couldn't find it. The only thing I could find is the kit, which is right here. And I believe that's not it. So anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And have a happy holidays. Merry Christmas to everybody and your family. Stay safe. And we'll see you guys on the next one.